Song Exploder Screencast, featuring Landslide by Fleetwood Mac.
I took my love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down.
The song Landslide by Fleetwood Mac is one of their most recognizable and frequently performed songs on tour. In fact, Stevie Nicks has sung it at every Fleetwood Mac concert since joining the band in 1974. Nicks originally wrote this song in 1973 for her then boyfriend, Lindsey Buckingham, while in Aspen, Colorado. Nicks wrote Landslide on the guitar and came up with the lyrics in only 5 minutes.
And all the seasons of my life, I don't know.
In an interview with Nicks, she explains what she was going through as she wrote the song. She said, "I had gotten to the point where I was like, I am not happy, I am tired, but I do not know if we can do any better than this. If nobody likes this, then what are we going to do?" So during that 2 months in Aspen, I made a decision to continue. Landslide was that decision. Being in Aspen was the first and only time Nicks has ever lived in the snow. The lyrics, "When you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills," reflects her situation at that time.
Get older, I'm getting older too.
Landslide is a simplistic song with just over 3 minutes in length. The song is a duet performed by the young couple Stevie Nicks and Lindsey Buckingham. The couple's chemistry helps bring out the raw emotion in the song. The song combines elements from folk rock and blues, blending into a moody, soft rock track. The song maintains a peaceful, contemplative aura throughout the duration.
Older too. I'm getting older too. So take this love, take it down. Oh, if you climb a mountain and you turn around, if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, where the landslide will bring you down, down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills.
Buckingham adds an enticing syncopation with his guitar playing throughout the song. The uniquely fast rhythm of his guitar is contradictory to the emotional song. Stevie's unique, deep, and lyrical vocal style invokes an array of overwhelming emotions, including pain, loneliness, indecision, abandonment, and nostalgia. It's an emotional lyric, and while it may seem simple, the introspection of these words resonated with millions of record buyers, who helped make this legendary debut album by this Fleetwood Mac lineup one of the biggest multi-platinum albums of the 1970s.